Hello everyone, welcome to Python interview preparation day 1. Today we'll learn about reverse of a given string. First, we need to take a function with def keyword. Function name is reverse of a string. I'm taking the parameter of s. So after that, I need to take result name with of empty string, and then I need to iterate for I range of length. So for this, so the step starting one -1, the ending value -1, and step value -1. So you can able to see this one. This is the starting point, and this is the end point, and this is the reverse of step point. So now I need to result equal to sending this one to the iteration part. And now return result. So now I need to call the function. So now we'll check. Yeah, you can able to see this one. The Python will be print in reverse direction. For more interview questions, please subscribe.